Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you the most inexpensive and very good technique of detailing your tires. It is often called the Japanese technique of tire detailing. It's very cheap. What you need: a glycerine, a dishwasher liquid, a spray bottle and some distilled water. Why distilled water? Because normal tap water contains impurities. Before that I have cleaned the tires. Only one thing is you need to apply this on a dry tire. So the tires are dry. Now I will prepare the solution. Glycerine you can buy online or from any uh, medical store. You will also get this type of spray bottle online or any hardware store. Now apply your glycerine. It has been proved that glycerine acts very well with your rubber, and it protects the tire from fading and cracking. Why some this is optional, you may add or you may not add. This will add a little bit of cleaning properties, very little, a pinch of this liquid, and add distilled water. Remember, don't use any tap water. Now shake well. Now for application you will need an applicator pad. I will give all the links in the description box. This is an specialty tire applicator pad. Shake well thoroughly again. Now apply it to your tires. इसमें टायर का जो रबर एरियाज है वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहेगा, फेडिंग क्रैकिंग नहीं आएगा और एक डीप ब्लैक शाइन लुक आएगा आपका टायर में. And you apply it once every month and you will see the tires remains like new. So like this I will apply to other 4 tires also. So you see it gives a deep black wet shine. Similarly all the tires. This is very inexpensive. Now apply the entire wall.
ऐसे कि कपड़ा देखे.
हाँ वो कपड़ा देखे उसको बाद में क्लीन कर देंगे. अभी लगाने दो. बस. So once we complete it, I will show you all the 4 tires how it looks.
व्हाइट है क्या?
हाँ वो ग्लॉस. इसको ड्राई होने दो और एक कोट हम लोग अप्लाई कर देंगे. Once it dries up, apply another coat for a long lasting shine. This tire is little bit dirty but it will work because I have added some soapy solution to it, so don't worry.
कोरापुट में रहकर और रेड मार्क लगे ऐसा हो गया. एकदम
हाँ अभी नहीं, थोड़ा ड्राई होने दो.
है ना.
So it has dried up. Now the second coat.
ये ग्लिसरीन बॉटल 4 टायर के लिए एक बार.
Same like hydrating our skin with the help of a glycerine. Look how deep black shine it is giving at this moment. Now wipe off the rims with a microfiber cloth. It has been proved scientifically that glycerine resists fading and cracking of rubber, and glycerine acts very well with rubber compounds. So that is also an advantage of using this particular solution.
कार तो सब कोई चलाता है, लेकिन कार को जो मेंटेन करता है वही है कार लहा.
हाँ एकदम बिल्कुल.
क्या हम लोगों को देखता है, हम लोग जैसा मेंटेन करते हैं. मेरा लड़का ऐसा नहीं करता है, वो चढ़ने के लिए ही चढ़ता है बस. ये ठीक नहीं है, इस लोगों को कार लहा नहीं बोलते.
So this is done. So this is how the tire looks after applying this particular solution. Absolutely a dark, wet, shiny look, and once it dries up, it will look further enhanced. Even I have applied to this car also. For 70 rupees, that was 70 rupees. I will tell you to buy online because there you will get a better deal and much larger package. So for 70 rupees, I was able to apply to 2 cars, and further the amount of liquid that is remaining, I will be able to apply another day to one car also. So this is a simple solution. With 70 rupees, I was able to detail 2 cars and all the 4 tires of both the cars, and it gives a very good look, and no car detailer will tell you about this truth. And if you have any questions regarding this application, you are free to comment in the comment section below. And friends, you are giving very good patronage to our channel, but your subscription level is very low. So please do subscribe and like to help us further grow in YouTube. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.